Have you ever been kept up all night by a throbbing earache that just won't quit? Well, you're not alone. Earaches are a common and painful affliction that can strike anyone, young or old. This can be caused by infection, injury, allergies, or even a buildup of wax. The pain can be severe and can interfere with daily activities, making it difficult to concentrate or sleep. But fear not, with the right care and treatment, you can find relief and get back to your daily routine. Here are the home remedies that will help you find relief and soothe that pesky earache in no time. Onion juice. Onion juice can relieve earache due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Extract the juice by chopping a small onion, warm it, apply a few drops in the ear, and leave it for a few minutes before draining out. Ginger. Ginger is another natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help alleviate earache. Grate a small piece of ginger and extract its juice to alleviate earache. Warm the juice, apply a few drops to the ear, and leave for a few minutes before tilting your head to let the juice drain out. Garlic oil. Garlic contains natural antibacterial properties that can help fight off infection. Applying a few drops of warm garlic oil to the ear can help alleviate pain and discomfort. Essential oils. Using essential oils such as tea tree, eucalyptus, or peppermint can help reduce pain and inflammation when applied topically to the affected ear. Olive oil. To soothe earache, warm olive oil and apply it to the ear with a dropper. Leave it for a few minutes before tilting your head to let the oil drain out. Salt water. This can help reduce inflammation and fight infection. Soak a cotton ball in a mixture of warm water and salt, place it in the ear, and let it sit for a few minutes before removing and tilting the head to drain. Don't let earache disrupt your life. Try these home remedies today and find the relief you need.
Yeah.